Uh, Good morning, everyone. We are going to continue with our class, software training Surpac. So today I will discuss because yesterday was section and digitizing. After doing your sections, the next thing in line is to create your 3D solid model. So 3D solid from the sections, the string files you've generated from your sections. So I will head straight to Surpac. So after opening my Surpac, we know the normal procedure. Ensure you connect the folder you're working on. That's your work directory. This is my folder. Double click on it. Now it's my active folder. Each and every work I do will be saved in this folder. After that, I will click and drag and drop my real database, my geological database I created. Now it's connected. And after that, these outline.str string file, these are the digitized, the string I've digitized from the sections. Click, drag and drop it. So these are the ones I digitized, as you can see. So normally after digitizing, you need to do some one or two basic cleaning. So firstly, we go to edit, string, crossover, come to clean. So we come to edit, string, clean. So you see the function, we have crossover. So you select the function you want to use. Click on drop down arrow. We have closure, crossover, duplicate, different points. So but I want to make use of the closure. So if there are any open edges in the string we've digitized during this cleaning operation, we are going to close that one. So closure, which action allow, delete, open or no, I want to close all. Apply. Now you see the command, select the string to clean. These are all the same string files because they are white in color. So string white, so segment is one, so all are the same string because it's white. So you click on anyone, you see beginning closure test, finish closure test, so it has been closed. After that, the next thing I need to do is to adjust the orientation of the string in a way I will be able to create my solid. So left click, move it like this. Try to position it well. Okay, for me, move it and position it very well. For me, I think this is okay. So you position it very well. You can even position it this way. Okay, for me now it's okay. The next thing I have to do is to go to solids, triangulate. We are going to use two. We are going to use between segment and inside segment. But firstly, I want to use the inside a segment. Click. So you see object and file solution. This is telling you about the color you want to give. 8 is for red. You can choose any color. Then you apply. Now it said select the segment which is to be triangulated. I select the first one and I select the last one because I selected inside. So you see I've done for the first and the last. So I've closed the first and the last. Escape. Then we go again to solids. Triangulate between segments. Click. It should be the same color. 8 yeah. Then we go now from the first. Click on the second, third, fourth, fifth. So you move in this direction until you hit on the last one. Click, you escape. You see you formed the solid. So this is the solid. You form the solid. If there is a mistake, all you need to do is to undo You see, you have every right to undo again and do any correction. You see, undo. You can undo several times. It's up to you to undo. So if you made a mistake, don't hesitate to undo and edit again. You see, it's alright. So you can go again to solids, triangulate between. It should be the same color. Click. So you click on this, click here, click here, click here, click here. So it's just the same procedure. You click onto the last, you try to connect everything. So you form your solid again. So you see, you form your solid. You form your solid. After forming your solid, you save. You save it, apply, yes. You saved it. Clear the graphics. So you see now you have two, a DTM and a string. The DTM is for the solid. So this is the solid we've created. After creating the solid, you need to validate the solid to check for errors. So in validating the solid, you come again to solids, come down, validation, solids, you go to solids, validation, validate objects, auto isolation, yes. So you give it a report file name. So in case there is an error, it will report through that file name. So I'm giving it a file name. You have every 2020 Surpac is unique, auto correct problems, check for overlaps. If I want the software to correct any problem, I will check this box. So it will correct each and every problem. So set value object to solid here because it's solid. Then apply. So now it's running. So you see now the error file is here. Solid validation report. Object 8 here, that's the color isolation. Valid, close, connected, invalid edges. So it removed duplicate 2. So now it's been validated. So the next thing I have to do is to know if really it has been validated. I need to check the volume and the surface area. So that's why you see it being validated. So you see there was an error over here. So it's been validated. So what I need to do is to go to surfaces, volumes, report volume. So to calculate the volume of the solid, go to surfaces, volumes, report volume of solids. Click. So you give it a name. I'll give it a name BDR underscore volume. So report format, it's in PDF. Click here. You can choose anything, PDF, CSV if you want it to be in Excel file or Note file. So let's choose CSV for example. Then I want to report the volume by total. I just need the total. Apply. So now it's running. So you see it's in Excel file format. The isolation, everything, object, everything, the maximum surface area. So you see the surface area and this is the volume. So you have the volume and you have the surface area. Surface area and the volume. Surface area and the volume. So that's it. So we've calculated the volume. It means the solid we created is okay. So the next thing I have to save it again. So reset graphics. So this is how we can create a solid, 3D solid. So we can stop here and keep on practicing. If you need the data I'm using, you can ask me. I will provide the data for you. Then you practice. Thank you very much. And let's keep subscribing to keep the channel active.